We're going to Arran, we're going up Goatfell. I'm feeling quite good about this. Ah!
You're lying.
Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh.
What have you done?
Oh. Broke my f***ing ankle. Oh no.
Ricky?
Oh no. Oh. Oh. Shit. You need to do something, Maxie.
What's that do?
Ah. Ah. The wind up. Your camera. Hey! 1-0 to me. After my terrible joke, we marched on and eventually made it off the mountain. We did get caught in the rain, so it was a relief to get back to the car. We drove through the Clag and finally made it back to the campsite, where we had a shower, ate dinner, chilled out and planned ahead for the following day. Good morning everyone, another day. So I went and bought a red top because I'm trying to compete with Maxine. Look, check it out. Come in Maxine. She still looks super brighter than me. I don't know what we're doing today, we're just kind of doing a wee tour of the island, just kind of driving right around it and stopping off at wee bits. So, Kildonnan Beach, let's see what's happening here. How you feeling for doing Goatfell?
A wee bit sore.
A bit what?
Sore.
So Maxine's feeling a bit sore for Goatfell. I'm absolutely fine.
Yeah, you're lying.
Stinks here. I know. Right, so I want to take a walk up that sort of way and see if we can get any photos with that in it. I don't class myself as a photographer. I'm just a dude that likes to take pictures and more recently video too. Don't get me wrong, I have taken some epic photos, but landscape and seascape is not a strong point for me. Sometimes I just can't see the shot. When this happens, I simply copy Maxine's composition. Here I am creeping around doing that very thing, with Maxine completely oblivious to what I'm up to. We'll put a bunch of images from our Arran trip at the end of this video. On a completely different note, if you enjoy this or any of our other videos, please subscribe to our channel. We're aiming to upload a video at 7 PM every Tuesday and we're almost at 50 subscribers. We appreciate each and every single one of you. Cheers. I've just put something into Maxine's bag and I've just seen something. This wee device here. So, what's that, Maxine?
First aid for bees.
So why would we need to give bees first aid?
Because they get tired and they land on the ground.
But why are bees so important? Would you save a midgie if you seen a midgie?
No, I hate them.
Nah, we need to save bees because something to do with the pollinate everything, and with it the bees were screwed. I think cash is king, but actually bees are king. And speaking of kings, we're going to King's Cave. No. No, it's not 3 miles.
I'm just looking at it.
Well, right, got to get a look at this because Maxine's saying it's 3 miles and I'm panicking. Still a bit broken for yesterday, so I'm not doing that forward backwards thing with the camera. Yes, there are ancient carvings, and yes, there is vandalism. But you need to ask yourself, is there really any difference between Donald 1822 and wee Drew fae Dunoon? What would people 500 years from now think? Oh look, a frog! Frog saver. Honestly, the path has been crawling the entire way up with these. As soon as you stop, they start going over you. Wee flies. Oh man. Wee bastards. Oh, they're everywhere. Yeah? It's on your back. Right. Okay. Just get away from you. Right, we made it. Want pizza?
Hi.
Let's get pizza. Ask me why I'm pissed off. Just
Why are you pissed off?
because they weren't selling pizza at the pizza shop. I'm raging and I'm hungry. But we're going to see some standing stones now anyway, so we managed to get a coffee and a bit of cake. But anyway, we'll just get the food later on. After what seemed yet another 3-mile trek, we finally made it to the standing stones of Macri Moor, and it was a very special place. Right, so here's the story of the. We're currently getting attacked with these mad flies. Ant flies or something.
Flying ants.
Flying ants! There's like literally millions of them. The grunt is absolutely hoaching with them and they keep coming up. I was going to do a time lapse is walking back, but there's no point because the speed we're walking you would think it was a time lapse. That's actual real time. Right, anyway, we're going to get something to eat since the pizza guy let us down. Once we finally found somewhere to eat, we headed back to our campsite for our final night in our wee pod. In the morning we packed up early and set off for our last day of adventures on the Isle of Arran. For now. So that's us. Car's almost packed up. Just got to say cheerio to our wee digs. Right there. I think the plan today is to go hit the Blue Pools and North Sannox. Might be 0% chance of rain, but it doesn't look like that now. But BBC won't let us down. And that's it, and then we've got to catch a ferry, so right, catch you later. So I'm taking my new fanny pack for a trial run. Maxine boat is it? What do you think? Right slick. Due to the ferry times, we always knew we weren't going to complete the North Glen Sannox trail. Now there's an excuse to revisit Arran. The path at the beginning of the trail is extremely well maintained, and the scenery is simply stunning. Alright, so you can't come to Arran without going to the Blue Pools.
Third time.
This is the third time to the Blue Pools, and the weather is absolutely phenomenal. But as I say, as photographers we're always moaning about something, and the light is too harsh. And it's also too busy because the car park up there was mobbed. We were actually really lucky to get parked. So we're actually blocked in and we've got a ferry to catch. That's really no clever. Whose idea was that anyway? We're relying on complete strangers getting back to their motor before us and leaving. Gutted. It's mobbed. No, that's a pity. Luckily, Maxine and I know this area like the back of our hands. So we know another wee bit. We're going to go to that. So we had to accept defeat there at the Blue Pools because there was too many people swimming. Now, you can't blame them, right? But what I want to know is, where was everybody when I was in there swimming? It was bloody freezing. Do you know what I mean? How were they not there that day? It's so annoying. I know. Thank you very much. You're going in for a swim, everybody else is.
No, we'll let them go on.
There's not many people at this wee area anyway. Just me and the bird. Yeah. Ugh. You can probably see the shot I'm going for. All my batteries are running flat, so I'm going to just end this video now. What can I say? Arran, come here. It's brilliant. I don't think we'll be back for a while because the ferries and stuff like that and everything. It's just an amazing place. That mountain range, Goatfell and all them, that's absolutely awesome. This GoPro battery is about to die. So it's goodbye for me and goodbye for Maxine. Peace, till next time, see ya. The Isle of Arran, would we recommend it? Absolutely. With craggy mountains, rolling hills, the sea, lochs, forests, waterfalls, vast wildlife, standing stones, a deep history and super friendly people, it's easy to see why it's often referred to as Scotland in miniature. Admittedly though, we didn't try a deep fried Mars bar. nor did we see any wild haggis. Arran, we will return. For now, we will leave you with some of our images, mostly Maxine's, from this amazing little island. So I have to say, my new wee rab, bum bag, fanny pack or waist belt, whatever you want to call it, it's actually really good. It's like dead comfy, you hardly feel like you're wearing it. And the day I'm just keeping the drone in it just for easy access and everything. But Maxine was determined for me to get it. I'm sure she's trying to make me look even merrier prat, but what she doesn't know is that doesn't affect me, because I've looked like a prat my entire life. So adding a bum bag doesn't make a jot of a difference. Anyways, she's hanging about a waterfall and I'm gonna go see her. See you soon.